Hi, so I just wanted to go ahead and talk a little bit about the city of Clarksville, Tennessee, where I live. I've been living here since 2010 when my husband and I PCS'd here. He's in the military and we came here on the new orders to be here. So Clarksville is a wonderful city. It has many great assets about it. It has Austin P College, which is a university here, and it has of course the Post, and the Post is home for about 10,000 soldiers, and currently in 2018 the current population of Clarksville is approximately 200,000 residents. Clarksville has been a booming city in the past 8 years that I have lived here. We have wonderful companies that are coming here, such as LG, Hankook Tires, Google, and Jostens, etc. We have so many things. Plus, it's just a short distance from Nashville. It's about 40 minutes away from Nashville, where Nashville has an Amazon distribution center, and AT&T, everything in Nashville that you can dream of. It's Music City, of course. So the reason why a lot of people love to retire here in Clarksville is because the housing is so affordable compared to other cities across the nation. So for an average priced home here in Clarksville, it would be about $170,000. And the homes here, they have many different floor plans. Floor plans from a 1-story, 3-bedroom, 2-bath to a 1-story with finished basements or split foyers, 2-bedroom homes, ranches, etc. There's something here for everybody. So as far as the winter has all 4 seasons. It does get humid. It is a very humid part of the South, but it is still very adaptable and very easy to live here. So as far as recreational activities, we have the wonderful Cumberland River. We have where people go boating, and we have wonderful activities that they hold there each year for Christmas, and music options during 4th of July and different summertime. And we have 3 different community centers where people can play basketball and go swimming. We have biking trails, walking trails, and we have museums and speedways, riverwalk, etc.